Introducing the JONSBO D31 Mesh SC Micro ATX PC case, a powerhouse designed with business needs in mind. Standing as part of the Pinecone series, this case boasts a sleek, professional aesthetic in a compact size of 205 by 363 by 452 mm. Crafted from sturdy metal, it exudes durability and reliability, ensuring your hardware stays protected. One of the standout features of this case is its versatility. Compatible with micro ATX motherboards, it offers ample space for components like GPUs up to 330 to 400 mm in length and PSUs ranging from 100 mm to 220 mm. Whether you prefer air cooling or AIO setups, the D31 has you covered, with support for air coolers up to 168 mm high and various radiator configurations. Installation is a breeze with the included mesh screen, although users may encounter compatibility issues with certain screens, in which case, reaching out to customer service is recommended. Additionally, users will need to purchase IDA64 software separately for optimal performance monitoring. With fan mounting positions strategically placed throughout the case, including options for top, rear, and bottom placements, airflow management is a breeze, ensuring your components stay cool under pressure. In conclusion, the JONSBO D31 Mesh SC Micro ATX PC case is the ultimate solution for businesses seeking a reliable, efficient, and professional-grade enclosure for their systems. With its thoughtful design, compatibility options, and robust construction, it's a surefire choice for any business setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.